A very good morning. Today we are going to start reading of chapter number 8 from page number 101, and the topic is setting a relationship between tables. Relationships are links that associate a field in one table with the same field in another table. So relationship basically are a link using which we can associate a field in one table with the same field in another table. In Access, you can store data in multiple tables. To bring that information together, we need to define relationship between the tables. Once you have defined relationship between the tables, data from both the tables can be used by query, form or report. So in Access, we store data in the form of table. Sometimes there are multiple tables, and if you want to bring all the information together, you can define the relationship between the tables. And when you define the relationship between those tables, data from both the tables, it can be used by the query, form or report. A relationship works by matching a field with the same name in both the tables. So relationship कैसे work करता है? By matching a field with the same name in the both the tables. So in most of the cases, these matching fields are the primary key from one table that uniquely identifies each record in a table and a foreign key in other table. A foreign key is a value in one table that must match the primary key of another table. So हम relationship कैसे create करते हैं? These matching fields are primary key हम लेंगे one table से that uniquely identify each record, and दूसरे table की हम foreign key को मैच करेंगे. फॉरेन की क्या होती है? फॉरेन की इज अ वैल्यू इन वन टेबल दैट मस्ट मैच द प्राइमरी की ऑफ अनदर टेबल. वो वैल्यू है एक टेबल की, लेकिन वो दूसरे टेबल की प्राइमरी की को मैच करनी चाहिए. सो प्राइमरी की इन वन टेबल इज मैच विद द फॉरेन की इन अनदर टेबल. To create a relationship, make two tables, one with named students that holds information about students such as their roll number, full name, class, address and city, and the other with the name marks that hold information about the student's roll number, percentage and grade. And then open one of them in a datasheet view. Firstly create these two tables and then open one table in a datasheet view. Click on the Database Tools tab, select the Relationships button from the Relationships group. So then click on the Database Tools tab and then select the Relationships button from the Relationship group. The Show Table window appears displaying the list of tables in the database. Select the required table and click on the Add button. The selected table will appear as a small window in the Relationships window. Likewise, add another table to the relationships window. From the show table window, you have to select the first table and then click on add. जो भी table आपने select किया है वो small window में display हो जाएगा in the relationship window. And similarly, select the another table and it will be opened in the relationship window. You can activate the queries tab if relationship is based on the queries, and activate the both tab if relationship is based on both tables and queries. So if you want to create a relationship with the help of queries, then you can activate the queries tab if the relationship is based on the queries, or activate the both tab if the relationship is based on both tables and queries. अगर आप क्वेरीज के लिए एक्टिवेट करना चाहते हो रिलेशन को, यू हैव टू एक्टिवेट द क्वेरीज टैब. अगर आप रिलेशन क्वेरीज और टेबल्स दोनों के बेसिस पे रिलेशनशिप को एक्टिवेट करना चाहते हो, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन बोथ टैब. क्लिक ऑन क्लोज बटन टू क्लोज द शो टेबल डायलॉग बॉक्स. देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन क्लोज बटन टू क्लोज द शो टेबल डायलॉग बॉक्स. Drag the primary key of the parent table, example students table, and drop it over the same field in the child table, that is marks table. In our example, roll number is the primary key. The added relationships dialog box appears. Then simply drag the primary key of the students table and drop it over the same field. roll number जो field आपकी marks table में, आपने वहां पे जाके उसको ड्रॉप कर देना है. एंड हेयर रोल नंबर इज द प्राइमरी की. सो रोल नंबर आपको स्टूडेंट्स टेबल से ड्रैग करना है. कहाँ पे ड्रॉप करना है? मार्क्स टेबल के रोल नंबर्स के साथ में. देन एडिट रिलेशनशिप डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर्स. Click on the Create button. Access creates the relationship between tables. A link linking the two tables will appear, indicating that both have been linked on the basis of the linked field. Click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar to save the relationship and then close the relationships window by clicking on Close button on the relationships group. And then you have to click on Create button, then it will create the relationship, and that relationship will be defined with the help of a link. That link roll number field of the students table with the roll number field of the marks table, and then click on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar to save the relationship, and then click on the Close the relationship group by clicking on the Close button. Tip: after the relationship has been created between two tables, you must delete the relationship before you make modification to the field on which relationship is based. To delete a relationship, click on the line that connects the tables and press the delete key. So when the relationship has been created between two tables, you must delete the relationship. अगर आप जिस भी फील्ड को लेके आप रिलेशनशिप बना रहे हो टू टेबल्स में, आप जब उस फील्ड के ऊपर कोई मॉडिफिकेशन कर रहे हो उससे पहले आपको रिलेशनशिप को डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन द लाइन एंड देन प्रेस द डिलीट की. आपका जो रिलेशनशिप है टू टेबल्स में वो क्या हो जाएगा, डिलीट हो जाएगा. अगर आप उस फील्ड के ऊपर मॉडिफिकेशन करना चाहते हो जिसको यूज करके आपने रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट किया था दोनों टेबल्स में. Let's know more. A select query retrieves data from one or more tables and displays the records set in a data sheet. So select query is used to fetch data from a database tables which returns the data in the form of a result table, and it is one of the most commonly query used statement in a data sheet. You can also use select query to group data and to calculate the sum. You can do counting, average, you can count the average, you can perform other types of total as well using the select query. It is basically used to retrieve data from one or more tables and then display that data in a data sheet. Let's know more. A cross tab query uses row headings and column headings so that you can see your data in terms of two categories at once. So it is a table that shows the relationship between two or more variables, and it displays data in a more compact way as it groups the data both horizontally as well as vertically, as it uses the row heading and column headings. So you can see your data in terms of two categories at once. अब दोनों categories का data जो है एक ही time पे देख सकते हो. Let's know more. A parameter query is a type of select query that prompts you for input before it runs. The query then uses your input as criteria that controls the results. It is one of the simplest and most useful advanced queries that you can create in a database. It allows you to create a query that can be updated easily. It is one where user supplies the criteria with which to filter the result. User criteria supply करेगा जिसको use करके हमने filter करना है result को. For example, you can design it to prompt for 2 dates. आप user से 2 dates ले सकते हो. Then Access will then retrieve all data with values between the specified 2 days. So जो 2 days आपने specify की है, फिर उसके बाद जो Access है वो वही data retrieve करेगा जो उन 2 specified dates के according होगा. Let's know more. An action query creates a new table or alters your data or database by adding, deleting, updating and appending data into it. So with the help of an action query, you can create a new table, or you can alter the table that is already being created by adding a record, by deleting a record, by updating a record as well, and you can append a new record to the already existing data. So it is a query that makes changes to or moves many records in just one operation. There are 4 types of action queries: append, update, make table and delete. Creating a query. Access provides 2 ways to create a query: query wizard, query design. Creating a query in design view. So Access provides 2 ways to create a query. First is query wizard way and second is query design. Firstly, we will discuss how to create a query in query design. The design view gives you more control over a query. It allows you to create a query from the scratch. So firstly, open the database and then click on the create tab on the ribbon. Now click on the query design button in the queries group. From the create tab, click on it and then click on query design from the queries group. The show table dialog box is displayed where you can select the record source for your query, which can be one or more tables or queries or a combination of both. Here you can select record source for the query. Query किसके ऊपर आपने बनानी है? You can select one table, more than one table. You can select a query or you can select a table or a query depending upon your requirement. Select the table from the show table dialog box on which you would like to run a query. Click on add button and then click on close button. The selected table appears as a small window displaying a list of fields in the upper section of the query design window, that is the object relationship pane. So firstly, the selected table will appear as a small window that will display the list of fields in the upper section of the query design window. Upper section में आपको ये देखो, in the upper section it will display all the fields of a queries, that is known as query design window. Then double click on the field names which you want to add in the query. They will be added to the design grid, the bottom section of the query window. You can also add fields to the query by dragging them from the field list to the design grid. The design grid is similar to a spreadsheet with columns representing each field in the query. So this upper section contains all the fields and it is known as query design window, and the lower section, bottom section, that is known as the design grid. And then double click on any field that you want to add to the query. You can also add fields to the query by simply dragging it from the field list to the design grid, and design grid is similar to a spreadsheet with columns representing each field in a query. यहाँ पे वही fields होंगे जो आप अपनी query में ले रहे हो. Simply you have to select the field from the object relationship pane and add it to the design grid. Simply select the double click on any field, it will be added to the design grid, or you can simply add the field to the query by dragging it from the object relationship pane and dropping it to the design grid. So let us understand the design grid field. The first row of the design grid displays the selected field names from the table. So first row is field and it will display the selected field names from the table. Next is table. Beneath each field is the name of the existing table. जो भी table आप use कर रहे हो उसका name हर एक field के नीचे होगा जिस भी table से आपने field को use किया है. Show. The show row displays a check mark. It will displays a check marks. The field with check marks display the information when the query is run. To hide the field during runtime, deselect the check mark by clicking on it. So the show row it displays a check mark, and जिस भी field के आगे check marks होगा वो information display करवाएगा तब जब आपकी query जो है वो run होगी. And अगर आप उस field को run time में hide करना चाहते हो, you have to deselect the check box. आप उस check box को deselect कर सकते हो अगर आप उस field को hide करना चाहते हो run time में. Sort property is used to filter the data. अगर आप अपने डाटा को ascending और descending order में filter करना चाहते हो आप इस property को use कर सकते हो, and this is optional. अगर आप करना चाहते हो sort, only then you can use this property. Criteria. Next is criteria. It contains the condition on the basis of which records can be filtered. यहाँ पे आपने condition लिखनी है जिसके basis पे आपने अपनी query के output को filter करना है. और this property is used to set multiple criteria in a query. और वाले ऑप्शन में आप क्या लिखोगे? मल्टीपल क्राइटेरिया लिखोगे जो आपने अपनी क्वेरी में अप्लाई करना है.